Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can insert fraction in Canva. So I will show you the step-by-step process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva here. Okay, so first step we need to go in app here. Under the app you need to search for that equations app. Okay, so you can see this app. Just open it, and here you can start with fractions. So we need to go in advanced, and here you can go to the that exponents options, and you can take these fractions. Here you can insert your numerator or denominator like this. For plus sign you can come to the basic, hit the plus, here come to the again advanced, choose that format and enter your number. That here you can insert your equal sign. Okay, and again come to the this option and insert your that numbers whatever, and once you done, go to the insert equations. Now you have inserted that equation fractions. Okay, and here you can minimize the size like this by clicking this resize dot and hold it and resize it. You can also move anywhere freely on canvas like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.